but you yourself do see the future. Subconsciously, maybe, we do see the future. And just recognizing this ability of ours in itself is so powerful that it can help you achieve big things in your life. Hi friends, do you know what makes human beings unique? The ability of us to see future. Yes, we human beings have a unique ability to see the future. You don't need to go to an astrologer or a numerologist or somebody who can help you see the future, but you yourself do see the future. Subconsciously, maybe, we do see the future. And just recognizing this ability of ours in itself is so powerful that it can help you achieve big things in your life. Somehow we do it subconsciously. The moment you start doing it consciously, you see big changes in your life. Let me tell you, how do you already, or how already have you been seeing the future? As a kid, when you were preparing for your exams, did you not already see that you are going to pass the examination? You had to pass the examination, you passed the examination, and that is what made you study so hard, because you saw yourself passing the examination. If you had seen failing the examination, maybe you would have not even studied. But because you saw yourself passing the examination, you studied. What does an architect do? What does an architect do? When he sees a plain piece of land, he has already seen a building before even starting to build it. He has already seen it. If he would have not seen the building already, he would have never been able to get started. He has already seen it. When a farmer plows the fields, when he puts the seeds on the field, he has already seen in his mind, in his subconscious mind, a harvested field. A field full of green plants. A field 100% harvested. We somehow, at every stage of our life, keep seeing the future and accordingly take actions today. We keep doing that, but that happens subconsciously. The moment we understand that we can do it consciously, and this can be understood by just one line: decide what you want, and act as if you already have it. The moment you act as if you already have it, or the moment you act as if you have already seen it, your attitude changes. Your way of living life changes. If I dream of being successful someday, and if I already see as myself being so successful, how I want to see myself in 5 years or 10 years, I start having an attitude of being successful today itself. And when I start living the life of being successful today itself, that is what I had dreamt of. And by the time I reach the place where I had dreamed of, I see that, oh my God, this is the exact thing that I had dreamt 5 years back. So let's say, if I have to say you, where do you want to be? Where do you want to be 5 years from now? In a well-designed place or in an undesigned place? Nobody wants to be in an undesigned place. So how can you be in a well-designed place in 5 years from now? You need to design it today. That's all that you need to do. You need to design it today. You need to start working on it today. You need to already see where you would be reaching today to make sure that you are to make sure that you take the right steps, to make sure that you are in the right direction. Until you know where you are going to reach, until you know what direction you need to take to reach where you want to reach, you would never reach where you want to reach. You would never build the building that you wanted to build if you do not see the building first and then make your plan backwards, reverse engineer the things, and then start from zero. You have to reverse engineer the process. You see yourself there, you act as if there already is a building, and now you start building it. You just put the bricks now. Building is already in its place. You start putting the bricks just to give it a shape.